Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix iPhone apps crashing when open. How to fix this problem. So the very first fix is to reinstall the app. Long press on any app. Long press on it and tap on delete. Tap on delete app and go to App Store and download it again. Try to see if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, you can go to second fix, that is force restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button once, down button once, hold the side key until the Apple logo appears and turn it off and turn it on again. The third fix is to update your iPhone software. Go to settings, tap on general, tap on software update, and if there are any software update available, install it. The fourth fix is to check your internet connection. Try a different Wi-Fi network or switch to mobile data. You can turn off Wi-Fi or switch to Wi-Fi. The fifth fix is reset all settings. Go to settings, tap on general. This time scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset, tap on reset all settings. Enter your passcode. Enter your passcode again and tap on reset all settings. It will reset all settings and fix your problem. The sixth fix is to sign out of your iCloud account. Go to settings, tap on your Apple ID, scroll down and you will get an option sign out. Sign out and sign in again to check if the problem is fixed or not. The seventh fix is check your iCloud storage. Go to settings, tap on your Apple ID, tap on iCloud, and if the iCloud is almost full, what you have to do, go to photos and try deleting videos, larger files and etc. to free up space. So that's it. These are the 7 fixes which you can try to fix iPhone app crashing. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.